Hello everyone, welcome back to another cooking video. Today we are making chicken curry, which I call it as weekend chicken curry, simply because there are more extra steps to do, but with very basic ingredients. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You need 1 kg chicken which is washed and cleaned. You need about 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then you need about half teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi. This we're going to use in marination. Then you need ginger, chopped ginger about 1 inch, and you need about 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Now these are big ones. If you're using the small garlic pod, you can take more cloves. 1 sliced onion. Now these are whole dry spices, 2 bay leaves, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds, 2 whole green cardamom. Now this is 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half tablespoon of cumin powder. You also need puree of 2 large tomatoes, and then we need about 1 cup of hot water. Now this is about half teaspoon of dry mango powder, and this is 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now these 2 ingredients we're going to use it at the last. Now this is about 40 ml of ghee and 10 ml of canola oil. You can use it all ghee, you can use also oil. Now let's begin with the marination. Now to the chicken you're going to add salt as per taste. Then add 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt. One tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and the kasuri methi. Mix all very well. Now kasuri methi adding at marination is pretty new, maybe perhaps to you all, but again I do it because I feel it infuses more flavor into the chicken than adding at the last. It's up to you if you want to add at the marination or at the end, it's up to you. Mix everything well and leave this aside for about half an hour or 45 minutes for the masalas to blend in with the chicken. Now heat about 2 teaspoons of ghee and add all the whole spices which we had seen earlier. Saute them for about few seconds until they are fragrant, and then add sliced onions. Next goes in ginger and garlic. Now fry all this well until the onions are soft. Here we are not going to make the onions brown because we're going to cook it again into ghee. So just until they are translucent, and that is enough. Let this mixture cool down and then grind this to a very smooth paste. You can add little water while grinding. Now heat half of the leftover ghee and add the ground masala once the ghee is heated. Now you're going to fry these masalas until you see the moisture has been evaporated. Now add the tomato puree and give a good mix. Dip in cumin and coriander powder. Mix again. Now this we have to cook very well. We have to cook until the oil separates. So cover and cook until you see oil floating. Now at this stage add rest of the ghee which is left and cook again until the ghee starts to float. Now the ghee has started to float. Now it's time to add the marinated chicken. Add the chicken and give everything a very good mix. Make sure that all the chicken pieces are well coated in the masala. We are going to cook this chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes covered. Now these 10 minutes we are going to cover and cook. The chicken and the yogurt will release water, which will help cooking the chicken for the first part of the cooking. Now it's been almost about 10 minutes the chicken is cooking. You see beautifully the fat is floating up. Now it's time to add the hot water. Add water and give a good mix. Then add dry mango powder and the garam masala powder. Give a good mix again. And now for the final part of the cooking, we're going to cook covered for about 8 to 10 minutes again on a medium flame. Now this is after 8 minutes. The chicken is almost cooked through. Give a good mix and it's time to plate. So your weekend chicken curry is ready. If you do try this recipe, let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. So thank you for watching and see you again with another video very soon.